There's a shocking story that is now unfolding in the national capital. Delhi Minister Atishi on Friday directed the Revenue Department to initiate a ministerial inquiry in the deaths of 14 inmates at the Asha Kiran shelter home in northwest Delhi's Rohini. She's also asked that there should be an initial report that should be submitted in this matter in the next 24 hours. In fact, the National Commission for Women, the chief of the NCW, Rekha Sharma, is accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of sheer negligence. She even shared images of fungal infection and also said that there was stale food that was being served in the Asha Kiran shelter. She also said contaminated water was being served to all those who were staying inside. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is currently lodged in Tihar jail, has assigned the charge of the Social Welfare Department to any minister at the moment. No minister is looking at it. It is Delhi Minister Atishi who is assured that there will be strict action that will be taken against the culprits in this case.
The CMO of this Asha Kiran shelter also said that we had written to the Delhi government, but there was no response. We had told them it's a crisis situation, but there was no response from the Delhi government at that point of time, and which is why there are 14 deaths in July alone, 27 deaths from January to July this year alone, and there are minors. One minor has died in July, one minor died in May. And the major cause is being seen as lack of sanitation, lack of hygiene practices, and, many sort of illnesses that the people inside are facing. Apathy due to the government's, deaf ears where nothing is being done. So Rekha Sharma has also said that she will appeal to the centre to take the responsibility of this shelter away from the incompetent Social Welfare Department of the Delhi government. With Ajay Thakur, Milan Sharma for India Today.
मैं आतिशी जी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि इसके पहले भी आशा किरण के इस संस्थानों में बच्चे मरे हैं, उनके जांच का रिपोर्ट कहां है? ये आप हर बार जांच कह देना, उसके बाद रिपोर्ट आती है क्या? आग लगे हुए सारे रिपोर्ट जांच के कहां है? मैं समझता हूं ये लोग आतिशी जी संवेदनहीनता को पार कर गई हैं और इन लोगों को हर बात में टालने वाली प्रवृत्ति दिखाई दे रही है, जो दिल्ली के लिए बहुत ही जानलेवा।
ये बहुत ही घटना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। मंदबुद्धि के बच्चे जिनका दिल्ली सरकार, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार पिछले 10 वर्ष से है, 1100 से अधिक बच्चे वहां पर रहते हैं। स्थान पर्याप्त नहीं है। एक डोरमेटरी के अंदर 30 से 35 बच्चों को ऐसी सफोकेशन हो रही है, भीषण गर्मी है और वेंटिलेशन का इंतजाम नहीं है। 1 वर्ष नहीं, 10 साल आज दिल्ली की सरकार को होने वाले हैं। ये कमेटियां बनाना, ये करना, इनसे उन बच्चों की, अगर ये बच्चे किसी घर के होते तो कोरहाम बन जाता।